Welcome to our Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis Professional course for the design and analysis of steel frame structures. This time, we bring you a step-by-step course focused on the design and analysis of steel frame structures, following both the American and Eurocode standards. During this course, suitable for both the metric and imperial systems, we'll take you through the typical design and analysis workflow in Robot Structural Analysis Professional, so you can achieve efficient and safe designs for common steel frame structures. Thus, the main purpose of this course is to help you learn the proper methodology required to carry out the design and analysis of standard steel structures that, while complying with the governing design code, also offer adequate safety and stability against the design loads, code combinations, and even certain extreme weather conditions. With this objective in mind, we'll take you from the initial development of the structural model to the analysis and verification of the steel members, checking their integrity, stability, and efficiency according to the governing design code. Furthermore, another very important aspect that we'll observe throughout this course is the design and analysis of the connections, as these are critical for ensuring the stability and overall safety of the structure. Taking you through all the necessary steps without requiring previous experience with Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis Professional. Along these lines, another interesting topic that we'll approach is the design and optimization of steel sections. Namely, finding the most adequate section designs in relation to the considered load cases and code combinations, including those corresponding to the wind loads and the resulting pressure and suction effects produced over the structure. Also, so you can fully understand the effects of these types of loads on the structural behavior, we'll work with both claddings and orthotropic panels, since the presence of these elements may affect the integrity, stiffness, and overall stability of the structure against both the assigned design loads and wind effects. At the same time, this design and analysis workflow will also lead us to review the different diagrams and tables of results, such as those corresponding to the internal forces, reactions, and deformations produced throughout the structural model, thus allowing us to better understand the structural behavior and facilitate the corresponding design decisions. For instance, based on the observed results and behavior of the structure, we may opt for the use of non-prismatic members, as these can provide a more efficient solution when working with large spans. We'll observe this entire process in a step-by-step fashion, so you can achieve stable, efficient, and safe structural designs that simultaneously comply with the governing design code. Finally, and if you have any doubts regarding the tools and subjects covered throughout this course, remember that you can always contact our support center for assistance. So all these topics and much more will be extensively covered throughout our Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis Professional course for the design and analysis of steel frame structures.